Our last video in the Google Blackboard Best Friends Forever series is how to use Google Calendar in Blackboard. Now, as a start here, Blackboard, to be fair, does have a calendar option, and you can go to that. And if you use your class tools, you can go down to Class Calendar, and you should be able to take a look and create events, and you look at the month view, and you could use this calendar, and most certainly you click on create event and you could walk your way through it. I have found that the Google Calendar is a tremendous option to use for the excuse my email reminder here. The Google Calendar is a tremendous option for Blackboard. So let's go back to our calendar. And let's say we want to embed you maybe create a calendar, and maybe the calendar is for your class, let's say government. You would want to go into the calendar, okay, and you could go over here to the gear. Let's do it this way, and go down to settings. When you are in the settings, click on the tab here that says calendars. What will pop up is all of these different calendars that you have. These calendars, my calendars, as it says here, calendars I can view and modify. These are the different things that I have. These ones down here are different ones that I can see. I can't necessarily, I cannot modify them. I can't add to them, but I can see them. Let's go into my calendar and we'll click on it. This is where you can change the different descriptions and the name of your calendar. By the way, you all have one created by the district in Google Apps for Education, but we're looking for that pesky little embed code that I keep talking about. And here it is. And I'm going to copy this. Remember, I don't know about calendar. I just know I can copy the code. Let's go to Blackboard. And look, this is going to be much like the other examples that we have done in our little series of Blackboard. We're going to build content, and when we hover over this, we're going to create an item. Again, in that item, we put a name, calendar, okay, and we're going to look for this toggle code, HTML code toggle, and we're going to click on that. We're going to get rid of this stuff. Why? As I always do. We're going to paste. Again, you still have these options down here. If you've watched any of the videos that I've made before, you'll see that these options are still available. You click submit, and we're working in Chrome, so of course it's not there. Refresh and go back into where we're housing all of our examples here, and we go down and there's our calendar. And here's the thing about the calendar. You look at here, let's look at December 25th. Does anybody know what is on December 25th? Yes, we know what's on December 25th. It's Christmas. So if we go to December 25th and we create a 9 to 10, we're going to open presents. Not that anybody would do this in their calendar, but let's just say you did. ENTS. Okay, we're going to open presents. That's what my kids are excited for. So Tuesday, November 25th, I've updated it in my Google Calendar. I'm going to go back to Blackboard. It's not there right now because we would have to refresh. And so we refresh and we go back to our Google examples. And this better be there, right? Or I'm going to look foolish. There it is. 9 a.m. We're going to open presents. And so the thing about embedding it here, just like with Google Sites or with Google Forms, when you update it on the Google end, it automatically will update in your Blackboard site. And so this is nice for communication with students and with parents. To have a calendar of the happenings in your class and maybe some due dates and some assessment dates so that parents know and students know what's happening. Okay, thanks for viewing my Google and Blackboard Best Friends Forever video series. As always, if you ever have any questions at Waukesha or Waukesha North, you can email me or call me. All right, have a great day.